Hi, Namaste. So I hope you all are doing well and your preparation is on the right track. And if it's not, then please get it back on the right track as soon as possible. So recently I have been traveling a lot, so I didn't find any apt place or time to record the video. Even now I'm recording outside only. I hope that won't create any issue, especially the audio issue, right? We faced that issue in our previous videos. I'm trying that issue won't be there now anymore. Now coming to the point, I won't be making a lengthy video. I will try to keep it as short as possible. The video is regarding the creation of a Telegram channel. We created a Telegram channel, and that link will be. I'll be leaving the link to the Telegram channel in the description. It's about RBI Ritesh, t.me/RBI Ritesh. So uh, next thing, why you are creating the group, or why now you're creating a channel and previously it was a bot and all. So I will answer that. See, what was my motive behind creation of bot was that I have been part of numerous groups regarding preparation of different exams, and what I found, exceptions might be there, but what I found that many students do waste their time. They do get indulged in the discussions which are not even necessary for their preparation. They do get indulged in the discussion over some celebrities or government acts or something like that, which are not helpful for them. They just create a distraction and they do end up wasting their time. So I didn't want that to happen. That's why I created a board. Now the following questions comes that why now you're creating a channel if you didn't want us to waste our time. See, when I was preparing those videos, or when I was creating that bot, I didn't expect that many people will come, right? Because anyway there were thousands of channels already there. There are thousands of YouTube channels already there, so I didn't expect people to come and join. I expected the number to be around 20 or 30 where I can handle them very efficiently. But now when I saw the statistics, it has crossed 100 plus. Now issue is that I'm facing an issue with sharing the material, and many a time it happened that I sent the mail to 105 people and only 95 or 90 people got it delivered. That's what I came to know from the delivery reports, and I don't want anyone to miss anything, right? That's why I'm creating the channel now, where you can join. Now, how will we use the channel? What is the use of channel, right? First of all, I'm not omniscient. I don't know everything. What I will be using the channel for, I'll be sharing the material I have. I'll be sharing the notes I prepared. I will be sharing the ways or the methods which are known to me, which can help you in your preparation. Other than that, we'll be sharing the your notes. Yeah, see, we often come across the things like topper notes or topper strategies. They were someday they were also just notes, right? Not topper. So even your notes can be topper notes, right? What we'll be doing, uh, see, as I already told you that I don't know everything and I'm not omniscient. There might be there might be topics, or there might be uh, different subjects where your notes or your methods will be better than me. So we'll be sharing that with other peers, right? That will be helpful for all of you, and even I will learn something from you people. So we'll be using it as a sharing platform also. We'll be using for discussions also. We'll also see for what I feel. I know every stage of this exam is important, every phase is important, but for me, what I personally feel is that mains phase is very crucial. We need to score as high as possible, as much as we can, and it's pretty doable, right? So I'll be posting, I'll be doing that answer writing practice there. I know many other Telegram channels or YouTube channels will be already providing you. So I'm not saying that I'm not asking you to bar them, or I'm not asking you to leave them. If time permits, and if you feel that the questions are good, or if you feel that it's fruitful to go for the questions, you can attempt them, right? Then I'll be reviewing as many copies as I can. I'll be evaluating them, and I will also leave you people to review the answers. Once you start to review, because when you will be reviewing a copy, uh, there will be different mindset. You will be trying to find the mistakes. You'll be trying to find what else can be added, and that will activate your brain, right? that will make your brain active, and will come up with the new things. You will come up with the new topics, new points which you can use in your answers also, and that will also help your peers. This is the way we are going to use it, and I hope it helps you people. And coming to the future videos, there are many queries, and many people ask me regarding the experience, regarding the salary and perks in RBI. See, till now I didn't join the organization, right? We are still in the process of joining. We just had our medical test recently on 13th October, I guess. So it's a ongoing process. Once in the organization, I'll try to make those videos like regarding the salaries, or what I feel there, how is the work culture, what are pros and cons. We'll be comparing with other jobs. So that are the upcoming videos. We'll see about them in future. But for now, the important thing is that we need to keep our preparation on the track. We don't need to lose it. We don't need to wait for the notification. We don't need to. We don't need to wait to clear phase 1, so that after that I will prepare for phase 2 and all. I already told you in our videos, we need to get done with phase 2 as soon as possible, because phase 2 will play a very crucial role there. And with that, I'll be ending this video. That's all. I'll see you in the channel. We'll be sharing the material there. Till then, all the best. Keep your preparation on the track. Don't lose the track. Yeah, have a great day. Thank you.